Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Anushka Jha, and I welcome you all to Adgully segment Marketers Unplugged. And right now with us we have Sanket from the Physics Wallah. Hi Sanket,
Hi.
thank you for
Hi.
joining us.
Hi.
Okay, so as we all, I know what Physics Wallah is, but if you would like to walk us through the audience, what Physics Wallah is, and you could highlight, your project, the product prospects, and just like a quick summary.
Physics Wallah slash PW started off as a YouTube channel in 2014 with the goal to become the lifelong learning partner of a student, right? Right from school till their higher ed. Though it started off as a JEE and NEET uh, test prep company, today we have 50 plus categories and businesses uh, foraying into K-12, test prep, higher education, skills, medical, and we're trying to open couple more. We also have two schools shortly coming up with a university.
Okay, so prior to, I had an interaction with I guess the cop who handles the communication side. So I have a bit of the idea about how the Physics Wallah's communication side of the works, but not towards more about the marketing and AI. So since we are at Datamatics, and I'm keen to know how does, according to you, AI plays a role in enhancing the creativity, if we specifically talk about the marketing strategies implied by the Physics Wallah.
Yeah, so for us mainly it is the content, right, that we ship. Like I was saying, we ship about 8,000 hours of content weekly, and this is academic content. Okay, though these are live classes, uh, humans just can't keep delivering those, right? Hence we built a product called AI box, or sorry, I mean, for corporates it's Alak AI, but for students it is AI Guru. What does that do? It basically, and we launched it just 3 months ago, 4 months ago, and first the 28th of Feb. What does the AI Guru do? Right, students at any given point of time can ask any question related to academics, and it will respond to them. Can also ask questions related to non-academics, and it will still give you some answers or guidance or solutions. Yeah, we've seen the usage of AI Guru the highest in any education or edtech firm, right? It is completely free. Just download the app, and then they can start using AI Guru. There's no platform fees for it. There's no subscription, and students basically have a mentor, guide, teacher 24/7 with them, right? It helps build stickiness towards the platform, and then ultimately helping conversion. On the marketing front, uh, there's a lot of writing required. There's a lot of creative image creation, video creation required, right? And I think earlier humans used to do that. We used to do a lot of we used to invest in a lot of people driving all of that. I think AI has simplified that. We at least get the first versions of those drafts, and then we rework on that. That's basically helped us save time, ship content faster.
So, since you mentioned that Physics Wala first was you started as a YouTube channel and then has its journey. So that summarizes how you guys are digitally active. So, would you like to highlight some of the key metrics used by the Physics Wala team to measure the success of the marketing strategies?
Yeah, so for us, what we do is we ship a lot of our academic content live on YouTube, right? And an academic content would be related to, say for example, JEE, physics chapter, correct? Now, while the teachers delivering that particular chapter, how do you measure effectiveness of that? One is on number of views that video is getting while it is being played live. Two, what are the kind of comments that are being registered on there? What's the kind of chat ratio that is going on? Is it positive? Four, is there engagement in the chat when a teacher asks a question? Are the students responding to it, right? So from the organic side, it's mainly cost. We look at views, engagement, comments, chats, uh, to simplify that. And on the paid side, mainly we look at cost per transaction, right? So for every money we spend, we need to know what was the cost for a particular transaction that we did, right? So let's just say we're spending $100, right, and we're getting say 10 students. Our cost per transaction will be $10, correct? But a student is purchasing a product or a service for say $1,000. So CPT over AOV, which is the average order value of $1,000, is amazing, right? You're only spending like less than 1% on acquiring that student, correct? So yeah, CPT is mainly for paid, and for organic is mainly views and engagement and chats.
Okay, so I have one more question regarding the marketing. It's like a marketing centric question. Other than the AI and metrics, could you like to highlight some of the marketing side of the strategies implied by the Physics Wala to have its more like more engagement with the audience?
Yeah, so I think I don't know, in my previous avatars not done that, but in PW, any of our uh, launches that we do it on YouTube, right, as an event. Uh, so for example, every year on 28th of March, we do an event called Vishwas Divas. And Vishwas Divas mainly is launching new batches for that year. And that event gets like the the event that happened this year in 2024, 28th Feb. uh, we got like 1 million views immediately after the event got over. There were concurrent 1.24 lakh students watching us at every point of time, right? So uh, the engagement, views, launches that happen via Physics Wala are something that I've not seen in the market. So we utilize YouTube a lot for launches and marketing and distribution. Other than that, we have a lot of other engagement items on the app, right? Say one of them was AI Guru, which we just spoke about. Then there's a lot of free content available on the app, which students also go through, right? So mainly engagement is towards academic and towards education.
Okay. So, talking about the edtech industry itself, would you like to highlight some of the emerging trends in this system, and how is Physics Wala itself adapting to these trends?
Yeah, so technology is something that one needs to stay upkeep, right? When AI was launched and the concept came in, we immediately invested on our tech team to build the AI Guru platform. And after launch, we've seen massive uptick on that, right? Then we are building other technology which will help students. Say, for example, earlier one lecture used to consume say about 600 MB, 700 MB of data. We've also enabled technology where now it only consumes say 50 MB, right? So we're trying to enhance the delivery via technology, which will help ease the s- which will help ease the experience of the student.
Okay, I believe that's it. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.